So I started by sketching out my project with a pencil and a piece of paper. We will have a PDF available if you're interested. Now I'm taking an 11 by 14 canvas board. I picked this up at the dollar store, and a piece of carbon paper. You can grab that on Amazon. If you need a link for the Amazon store for the carbon paper, just let us know and we'll link it in the comments below. It will be an affiliate link. And I'm tracing out my drawing. I'm using green that I picked up at the Dollar General. It's an acrylic paint, only because I don't have this particular color in the chalk paint. And the coverage is not as good as the chalk paint, as you can see. So I did have to do this with several coats, almost 3 or 4. The thing with acrylic is you really need to let it dry completely to get that coverage. And I just filled in the entire drawing with the green. You can also pick up art brushes at the Dollar General. I'm using the Republic Red chalk, Wise Owl chalk synthesis paint on his arm and on the collar of the wrist here. And I did that snow owl a little thicker in his cuff just to give it some texture. I used a blow dryer to help dry my green. I did my second coat, but I really did find full coverage the following day. After I let it dry for 24 hours, I went in and I did my final coat. You may not see that here in this video. So prior to that, I took some black and just outlined the hand just to give it some definition. And then I outlined the sleeve, the fur on his wrist on the sleeve area. And then when I do my final coat of the green acrylic, it'll kind of pull that all together. I found these wall stickers at Hobby Lobby. They were $6.99. I got them with 40% off. And I took 2 pieces. It was a long chain looking with the star and an ornament. These stickers were really, really sticky. I did not need any other glue. Guys, this is really, really simple, fun project for the kids. The Grinch is really big this season. And then at the end, I took some 1-hour enamel when everything dried, and I covered my entire project as a top coat, and it also kind of set that ornament. I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfer, mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com.